Good evening, everyone. Everyone having fun? Are you a little bit drunk now? Even better. I could say whatever I want to say. You know, it's a hard act to follow my son because I wrote that speech. Well, congratulations and best wishes, Justin and Jessica. Justin. You're now a full-fledged member of the Malari family. The way we do it, you have 50% votes between Jessica and you. However, Jessica always has to beat the power. That is the fact. But anyway, Ed, that's everything I have to say. You did a good job, Ed. Good job, Ed.
He's here.
You know where you got that from. But this is your day, and I'm not going to steal it. Hoop, hoop.
Ross, stay up here. We're about to do the father-daughter dance, but one more time, everyone raise your glasses one more time for the newlyweds and finish the champagne. Mr. and Mrs. Flores. All right, turn your attention to the middle of the dance floor during your father-daughter dance. Give it up for Roz and Jessica.
After my speech, I wrote him a speech, but he